So guys, let me send you the quick video. I don't know, you guys might have gone through this problem. It's very hard to get connect with the Samsung customer service. So what happened that it didn't wash yesterday night because I turned it on sanitize mode, which is here, and once I turn it on and did not start button, it will stay there, and after that even if you try to start any mode here, it will not let you start and there will be lock sign will be here on the tiny display. So I don't know, fortunately because the lock sign is here, you see, in the sanitize mode, and lock sign was here, so I randomly thought that okay, let me push this button. So I pushed the button, sanitize for 3 seconds, and then what happened that it came out from that sanitize mode and the lock sign gone away, and now I can start the normal cycle. So if something happened, I thought let me make a video out of that, because these things nowadays very hard. So many technology they are adding, but sometimes we don't know everything. So yeah, whenever you see the lock sign and it does not start, you probably check your sanitize mode. It's 3 seconds. You have to press and hold 3 seconds to turn off, and you have to again press 3 seconds to turn it on, and then you have to start. Yeah, hope this helped you guys.